Hi, Far Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. This is your Gem in your tarot reader. So, alamin natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. Ano ang sitwasyon na nai-encounter or mai-encounter mo with your relationship, with your person? Far Sign, give me your energy. Just a reminder, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Far sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, give me your energy. Far sign, your main energy. Give me your main energy. Far sign. Okay, you have courtship. Far sign. Manliligaw, nanliligaw. Or maaaring will make a move towards you. Alamin natin ang love oracle para sa iyong courtship. Far sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Give me your energy for your love reading. Far sign. Give me your energy. Okay. Nag-pop out agad. Soulmates and both. So, soul connection, partnership, agreement, soul contract. And they both receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, and closure. So, maaaring this is some kind of connection with a new person and or maybe with other person, with the old person from your past. Alamin natin. Tignan natin ang iyong energy. Far sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Alamin natin ang iyong love reading. Give me your energy, far sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Give me your energy. You have 3 of Wands, 4 of Wands, 5 of Wands, 9 of Swords. Far sign, I'm seeing here, you're still can't move on from your past relationship. Tingin ko, you're still struggling. Even though may mga taong maaligid sa'yo, may mga taong gustong mag-take ng chance na manligaw sa'yo, kahit na gusto mo maging masaya at mag-move on, still, someone from your past holding you back. You have a soul connection with soulmates and progression, moving on, a closure. Siguro, far sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you have to move on for you to be able to see kung sino yung nararapat para sa'yo. Diba? For you to be happy with the person na talagang meant for you, you have to move on from your past. You have a potential of courtship. Maybe this is a true connection, a true love connection para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi ka pa handa, hindi ka open to receive this new opportunity or this new person sa buhay mo, hindi mo talaga siya paglalaanan ng attention mo. Kasi nga nakafocus ka sa iyong past energy. You're still have this kind of feeling na malungkot, naaalala ang iyong nakaraan, you're still struggling na makamove on kasi hindi mo siya mabitawan. Hindi mo siya ma-let go. You have 6 of Pentacles. 2 of Cups. 6 of Cups. And 8 of Swords. You have a fire sign involved sa iyong energy with Wands, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. You have an air sign na involved, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have an earth sign with Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and a water sign with Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Gaya na sabi ko, you're still holding on sa iyong past, sa iyong ex, sa iyong memories from the past. Hindi ka makamove on. Nakikita mo yung sarili mo, fire sign, na alam mo yung ang dami mo pang, so you have so much love to give, pero hindi na sa taong mahal mo. Maaring mahal mo pa yung person mo sa iyong past, di ka makamove on. Pwede ka pang magbigay ng so much love, pero hindi ka ready. Hindi open yung puso at isipan mo sa iba. Parang binabalik-balikan mo pa rin ang iyong nakaraan. You have to find your way out sa iyong past connection. You have to move on for you to have a new beginning with the person na you deserve mo. Yung taong deserve mo na mahalin ka at mahalin mo rin. Someone na you will love forever. Diba? You have to be open for this new connection. Kasi kung hindi ka ready and you're still struggling with your past, you have 6 of Cups. Paano ka magkakaroon ng new beginning with this new person sa buhay mo? Kung hindi ka open, hindi ka ready. Kasi tingin ko you're still struggling. You're trying to move on pero pilit pa rin binabalik ng isipan mo yung mga memories ng iyong ex. Maaring puppy love or maaring minahal mo siya ng napakatagal na panahon. Kaya hindi mo siya mabitaw-bitawan. Hindi mo siya ma-let go. Kasi iba yung feeling pag minahal mo na sobrang tagal yung tao. Bumabalik at bumabalik ka pa rin sa kanya. Kaya you have this kind of feeling. 9 of Swords and 8 of Swords. Pabalik-balik lang yung pain, anxiety, hirap maka-move on. Kasi, wala ka rin namang ginagawang paraan para maka-move on. You have to do something. Diba? Kasi sayang yung opportunity of someone with someone new sa buhay mo, diba? Ang sabi dito, you have a soulmate connection, moving on, closure issues. You have a closure issues kaya hindi ka maka-move on kasi hindi mo ma-let go ang iyong past relationship, ang iyong past person. Siguro, it's time naman na ikaw naman yung mahalin, di ba? Sobra-sobra yung pagmamahal mo sa iyong past. Ikaw naman yung mag-receive ng so much love with the right person. Kung ready ka lang. Kung handa ka lang, may right person for you na maaaring mag-make a move. Kung ready ka lang, nabuksan ang puso at isipan mo. Kasi sa ngayon, nafe-feel ko hindi ka pa handa. Nakikita ko na parang hirap ka pa maka-move on sa iyong past person. So, tignan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide sa iyong energy. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Alamin natin ang masasabi ng angel guide. Fire sign. If you believe, diba? If you believe na soon makaka-move on ka rin, you will have it. Soon, magiging masaya ka rin sa taong mahal mo at mahal ka if you just believe, just trust. Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon na nararamdaman mo with your person, just trust, lilipas din yan. Kasi kung hindi kayo para sa isa't isa, mapuputol na rin ang connection nyo. A year from now, there's a duration. Tandaan, a year from now, there will be a significant event. A year from now. Listen to your intuition. Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo? Ano ba yung nafe-feel mo? Mas lamang ba yung mag-move on ka na or mas lamang ba yung mag-hold on ka pa sa iyong past? Sa iyong ex? Sa iyong past person? O ano yung gut feeling mo? May opportunity ba ang person na ito, yung ready manligaw sa'yo? Meron bang romantic connection with this person? Nasa sayo na yan. You have a peaceful resolution. Diba? You need to have a closure with your ex. Tignan natin ang masasabi ng oracle for you. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Tignan natin ang masasabi ng oracle for your energy, fire sign. Nothing will come of this situation kung hindi ka magle-let go. Ang move on, di ba? Paulit-ulit. Paulit-ulit pa rin na mararanasan mo yung pain, sadness, kasi nga, you are not willing to move on. Believe in the impossible. That one day, makakayanan mo yan. Ma-overcome mo yung sadness na yan at masasabi mo sa sarili mo na I've moved on. Show the world the real you. Ibalik mo yung dati mong sigla. Di ba? Yung open ka for new opportunities sa buhay mo. Alisin mo yung negative energy sa puso mo. And confidence is your key to success. Maaaring sa connection mo with your past, ang naging dahilan kaya medyo nagbago ang aura mo, ang energy mo. Well, confidence is your key to success, to have this kind of positive energy in your life. So, thank you, fire sign. Hopefully, alam mo na kung ano yung nais mo sa buhay mo. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius.